It started with a phone call that lasted only 6 seconds. 6 seconds that destroyed a quiet town. 6 seconds that exposed secrets buried for years. 6 seconds that no one could ever forget. At 1:13 a.m., Lincoln County Dispatch received a chilling whisper. "Please, someone help me, he's going to." Then a scream. Then silence. The line cut off. The dispatcher froze. The voice belonged to a young man, shaking, terrified, and somewhere on Highway 57, a long deserted road known for accidents, smuggling, and things people never talked about in daylight. 2 units were sent, but only one arrived first. Officer Brent Morgan. A legend on the force. A man praised for bravery. A man feared by locals once the sun went down. He responded alone. That was the biggest mistake the town never forgot. Tyrell Jones, 25, was a quiet mechanic. Loved motorcycles, late-night drives, and was saving to open his own repair shop. He wasn't a criminal. He wasn't violent. He wasn't even out partying. He was simply driving home from work. At 12:49 a.m., street cameras captured his car turning onto Highway 57. At 1:13 a.m., he made the last phone call of his life. And at 1:18 a.m., Officer Morgan reported. Suspect resisting. Use of force necessary. But Tyrell never resisted. He never fought. He never even made it out of the car alive. When second responders finally reached the scene, they found Tyrell lying face down in the dirt. Shirt torn. Breathing shallow. Blood on the ground. A broken flashlight beside him. His phone smashed, far from his body. Officer Morgan stood over him, hands shaking, claiming, "He attacked me. Had to restrain him. But something was wrong. Tyrell's car had no weapons. Tyrell's hands had no bruises from fighting. Tyrell's body had the marks of someone beaten, not restrained. And most chilling, Tyrell's last call, those 6 seconds, was recovered from the dispatch recorder. Please, someone help me, he's going to scream. Disconnect. Not they. He. Tyrell knew who was coming for him. 3 miles away, a truck driver named Lewis Harding had pulled his rig to the side of the highway due to engine trouble. He wasn't looking for trouble. He wasn't trying to film anything. But his dashcam captured something the police never expected. At 1:14 a.m., a single police SUV speeding toward the highway shoulder. At 1:15 a.m., a male voice shouting, "Get out of the car." At 1:15 and 22 seconds a.m., a thud. Another. Another. A man screaming. Harding never saw faces. He never left his truck. But the audio was enough. Officer Morgan claimed Tyrell attacked him. The dashcam showed only one person shouting, and it wasn't Tyrell. At first, the department closed ranks. They released statements like, "Officer Morgan acted appropriately. The suspect was non-compliant. There was an ongoing threat." But the community didn't buy it. Especially Tyrell's mother, Angela Jones, who stood outside police headquarters holding her son's picture and whispering, "Tell the truth, just tell the truth." Protesters filled the streets. News vans circled the town. Social media exploded with anger. Then, the twist. A rookie IT officer, Emily Carter, secretly leaked bodycam data the department hid. Not the video. But the metadata. It showed. Morgan turned his camera off at 1:12 a.m. Tyrell called 911 at 1:13 a.m. Camera turned on again at 1:19 a.m. Meaning the entire assault happened off camera on purpose. The department was caught. The lies fell apart. Reporters uncovered sealed documents confirming that Officer Morgan had 14 complaints of excessive force. 3 internal investigations. 1 suspension. 0 punishments. Every complaint quietly disappeared. Every civilian who reported him was labeled aggressive or uncooperative. Morgan wasn't protecting the town. Morgan was preying on it. The trial lasted 38 days. The evidence. Tyrell's 911 call. Dashcam audio. Bodycam timestamps. Bruise patterns. Morgan's deleted reports. When the verdict came, the courthouse hallway fell silent. Guilty. Second-degree murder. Abuse of authority. Tampering with evidence. Civil rights violations. Morgan covered his face with his hands. Tyrell's mother collapsed into tears. Outside, the town finally breathed again. Reforms were passed. Body cams cannot be turned off. All force reports reviewed by third party. Citizen Oversight Board established. Training programs rebuilt. Morgan's old complaints reopened. But one question still haunts Lincoln County. If Tyrell hadn't made that 6-second call, how many more would have suffered in silence? And another, even darker. How many already did?